Hi everyone. Before I start applying my makeup, I always make sure to moisturize my lips with Vaseline. And then I go ahead and use a makeup primer. I mean, obviously before that, yeah. A makeup primer because it just helps the makeup glide in properly. So then you go ahead and apply it on your face nicely and carefully. And then I go ahead and peek out. I use a regular what's it called, cheap makeup that I bought in the pharmacy or something. I don't know. Yeah, and then I go ahead and dab 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 and make sure you blend it very well. I use the silicone, I think it's called silicone sponge. You guys can use the regular sponges. I just use this one because it was cheap, and whatever, you do whatever makes you happy. So I go ahead and dab 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 until the makeup is blended, nicely blended. So yeah. And then I also decided to use a brush because it was taking forever. So yeah, and then make sure to always apply it down your neck because you don't want to look like, you don't want to people to see the line of demarcation of your makeup. And then yeah. To highlight, I use this regular old foundation stick, like a couple shades lighter than my skin tone, and then I go ahead and apply it on like the areas that receive light. So my nose, my under eyes, and cupid's bow and chin. And then I go ahead and use my own fingers to blend because I feel like it works for me. But you guys can also use a makeup sponge to blend. But you will see that I end up using a sponge as well, a blender to blend out at the end. After blending in everything, I go ahead and use my setting powder on the areas that I used the highlighter or concealer, and then I usually let it bake for like 5 minutes or even less. Depends on how much time I have. But guys, by the way, by no means am I saying that I am a professional makeup artist. I'm just doing whatever works for me. Like, I didn't go to school or anything. I just do it like from watching people's videos. But yeah. So after waiting for 5 minutes, I go ahead and use my brush to remove and wipe away all that white cast powder that's left behind. Make sure you wipe it nicely because you don't want to be left over looking like a ghost. And then after that, I go ahead and use my eyeshadow, dark brown eyeshadow, to contour because it's gonna just define, give that definition. I don't know, just makes your face look more skinnier. I mean, I know I don't need that, but I don't know, people just do it, so I do it as well. And yeah, and then after that, you can clearly see the difference. After that, I go ahead and use a dark brown lip pencil. You can even use a eyebrow pencil. I mean, you do whatever works for you. And then I go ahead and use my lipstick, and then I put like a little shine because I like my lips shiny. And then yeah, lip gloss, and then yeah, and then after that, and I use my eyeshadow. I mean, you can use it's kind of like rosy. It's not that rosy, it's like brownish, whatever color that is. And then my favorite part is I go ahead and apply my highlighter. Yeah, so guys, this is pretty much my everyday makeup routine. I mean, not every day. It's not like literally, I don't do that every day. Just apply, I also apply it on my nose just to make my nose pop out more. Yeah, and you guys can contour your nose if you want to make it skinnier. I don't think I do that. And then I go ahead and apply my, what's this called? Makeup setting spray. Sorry guys, I'm kind of forgetful. Yeah, and then I apply my mascara on my like lower eyelashes that are kind of non-existent, and voila, that's pretty much what I do. So yeah, this is the final product. I hope you guys liked it. I mean, because I did. I mean, it's pretty simple, guys. I'm not a professional makeup artist. This is what I do. This is what I'm comfortable doing. So I hope you guys have found it useful. Thank you for watching, and don't mind, please do click that subscribe button. And yeah, so thank you guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.